Welcome to English Grammar and Writing Skills course of EduPom EdTech. You're watching the video with Manisha Bedi and the topic for the video is how to write an advertisement for a tutor, for searching in search of a tutor or for tuition purpose. Alright, in that case, what are you going to do is, first of all, the first and crucial thing is to draw a box. Okay, do it in starting, do it at the initial point so that you won't forget to make a box. All right, then put tuitions. Okay, otherwise you can also specify a requirement for tutor. Okay, yeah, home tuitions, yeah, offline tuitions, depending upon that. Okay, now what are the things which you need to specify? First of all, specify the classes and subjects. Okay, what are the classes and subjects? What are the classes you can teach? What are the subjects you're offering? All right, then comes the special qualities of tutor. What are the qualities you are searching in a tutor? What are the things you want a tutor to give in time with? Like you want a tutor to, you want a tutor with a particular amount of hours, like 4 to 5, like maybe 1 hour, maybe 2 hours, depending upon that what you expect a tutor to do for you, like he or she must make you go through the MCQs, practice solve papers, previous year question papers, depending upon whatever the purpose is. Okay, so you have to mention the special qualities of the tutor, that a particular type of language should be known, or a tutor is required you can speak a fluent English or a fluent Hindi, depending upon that case. All right, so you have to provide the special qualities of tutor, then the qualifications and experience of the tutor. Okay, you have to provide the qualification and experience of tutor. All right, then comes the previous results of his or her student. This is very important. Okay, everywhere whenever you will go for to teach anyone, then they will ask you that what experience you have. Okay, so in that case what they want is that they want your result, they want to see, they want to check out that what were the results of your previous students. Okay, or what your previous students who have been taught by you has to say about you. So these things, that is the reason they ask about the previous results, that if I learn from this particular teacher, if I choose this person to be my tutor, then what are the qualities, what are the benefits, and what are the perks I will get, okay, by choosing some other tutor over another tutor. So these are the things a student want to know, okay, or a candidate wants to know. Last but not the least, end it up with your contact address, where you have to mention the name, phone number, and the valid address. All right, so this is how you write the advertisement for tuitions or for in search of tutor. All right.